At DHL Express, we've always strived for excellence, and we do what we do responsibly.
Sustainable logistics is a massive part of everything that we're seeking to achieve. Things moving across the world needs to be increasingly sustainable.
But the challenge is huge. In 2020, our carbon footprint was more than 33 million tonnes of CO2, but we're aiming for zero emissions by 2050. Alongside our efforts to make our premises and our last mile carbon neutral, we're making our aviation sustainable.
Aviation emits over 90% of our total carbon emissions. So if you're going to change your carbon trajectory, you've got to start with sustainable aviation.
We're reducing emissions by refleeting with new fuel-efficient aircraft, implementing a comprehensive fuel optimization program, and committing to sustainable aviation fuels.
The Boeing 777 freighter will produce about 17% less CO2. The materials that are used in the construction are lighter, the engines are much more efficient, and the design of the aircraft produces less drag.
We've introduced 6 standard operations to optimize fuel usage, starting with how we load our aircraft.
We have load control agents putting the heavier containers towards the back of the aircraft and the lower weight containers in the front of the aircraft, thereby reducing fuel burn and therefore also reduce CO2 emissions. And we have introduced fuel-efficient standard operating procedures for our pilots to apply when they fly for our network.
We use different flap settings for takeoff and landing. We have lower cruise speeds, and we taxi with one engine.
Sustainable aviation fuel is fuel that replaces traditional fossil jet fuel, but it allows us to reduce CO2 emissions. The most common is made out of organic crops or organic waste. The other type is produced by renewable energy, solar, wind, and CO2. And this makes it very interesting because we are now using the problem to bring the solution.
Our strategy is to build up long-term partnerships with fuel suppliers in order that we achieve our sustainability target to have 30% of sustainable aviation fuels in 2030.
We're being transparent about our sustainability measures, which is good news for the environment and our customers.
Sustainability on the priority agenda of our customers has been increasing over time. We offer them the insights by giving them the right reporting. We offer them the options also to ship with us in a climate-friendly way.
Our sustainability journey has begun, and the decisions we're making today will give our children a tomorrow.